Windshield wipers are essential in obtaining a clear view on rainy days. Let's see how we can replace them. First, turn off the engine and lift the wiper switch to mist, which is the uppermost position, for 2 seconds. This will raise the wiper arms to the highest so that replacing the wiper blades is possible. After raising the wiper arms, open the lock cover on each wiper blade. Press the lock of the lifted wiper blade to pull it down and separate it from the wiper arm. Install the new blade in reverse order of removal and carefully lower the wiper arm. If the wiper arm falls on the windshield, it may damage the glass. Start the car and operate the wiper switch so the new wipers return to their normal position, and the replacement is now complete.
Kia, movement that inspires.